Hey guys, welcome back. I am looking at this fun Violet Studio embroidery kit. It's the Nutcracker line, and they are little mini decorations. I'm going to be able to make 4 of them with this kit. So I've got little baby embroidery hoops, I've got the directions, a needle, I've got the fabric pieces, 4 cotton fabric pieces, I've got some twine, and a template, and of course instructions. And it says I'll need pins. I have pins. It says scissors. It doesn't say, it reads. I have my scissors and an iron. Awesome. So let's see what is in this handy dandy little kit. I mean, I know I just read it, but I want to look at it with you. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to go about filming this with you. I think I'll just check in now and again because it's going to be a little tiny bit complicated. And I have a feeling it's going to take a while. It's not that it's going to be complicated. It is the harder difficulty, which is fine. I know how to embroider. So I've got a really pretty pink that I have to iron. Kind of a gorgeous little aqua tone. I've got a snow white. And another white. So I just have to go ahead and press them with an iron to get them nice and clean. Got lots of nice embroidery floss. I've got a berry color, an orangey red, gorgeous blue, a bit of a coral, a metallic gold, a charcoal, a vanilla, kind of a piney green, a sage, and a mustard. Okay, sounds good. Embroidery needle right there. Wonder what the little holes are for. Maybe it's just because that's how they put them on. I don't know. Got my templates. I like them. And look at, guys, oh, here's my little twine. I think that's that's to hang them up at the end of my project. I'm gonna sort things out in my little tray here. And I've got the cutest little hoops ever. I just can't. Look at them. Oh my word, so cute. All right, so I have all of these goodies. So my next job is to read my instructions. Oh, it tells me how to do the different stitches, which is always nice, especially if you're just learning to learn how to do the stitches. That's a really great little guide. Oh, and it has the type of stitches it looks like. Yep, it has the codes, the type of the stitches, where to put them, and all of that. Great. So choose your transfer design. Oh, these are embroidery transfer sheets. Nifty. All right, I lightly iron the transfer onto the fabric. When applying the transfer, don't move it too much. We don't want to smudge. Once it's transferred, follow the color and stitch guide, and voila, you are done. So if you're a beginner, start with a simple one and then work your way up. Guys, these are so cute. Look, there's a little Nutcracker guy, a floral design. We've got the moon and stars, and then we have a gorgeous little like ballerina from the Nutcracker. Okay guys, so I'm going to get to ironing on my little transfer designs. I'm going to pop them in my little hoops because then they'll be nice and sturdy when I'm working. That way I can go, oh, so much easier to see it like that. That way, when there's red on this, I can do the red on this, then go to this one, then go to this one, etc. So I don't have to keep rethreading my needle. So long and short of it is, I'll probably just check in when I'm part of the way through these because, I have no idea, but I have a feeling this is going to take a few evenings while I'm watching TV to get these embroidered, but I will let you know how it's going. So super quick check-in time. I just did the transfer paper and it transfers beautifully. And I didn't even really know what I was doing. I had the heat applied for 10 seconds, pulled it up, and it transferred perfectly. So that is fun. I just got to pop them in the embroidery hoops, and then I can get to work. Okay, everyone, it's about time for me to start playing with this. I am so excited. Wish me luck. I'll come back when I've got a little bit of headway. Hey, y'all, I want to do a super quick update. I have got my little pink one taken care of with the gold metallic thread. I have started on the cutest little Nutcracker guy, and I have some of this floral one done, and I have started on my cute little Nutcracker ballerina. So it's coming along very nicely. There are great instructions. So far, it has been seamless, and I am beyond hoping that this company comes out with 100 more embroidery kits. I am having myself a ball. So y'all, I have all of my cute little embroidered bits done. They came out so cute. Embroidery was super easy to follow the guides. There is literally so much embroidery floss left over. So you'll have lots and lots for your other projects. So absolute 10 out of 10 on how great this kit was. I really hope that Violet Studio comes out with more because I had myself a ball. And I haven't done a lot of these embroidery stitches for a while. I've done them in the past, but it came back just like this. Absolutely great instructions. I'll have a couple still shots to follow, but that's it for today, friends. And I'll have the link down below, the affiliate link for where you can get your hands on these goodies.